Alright, in this video we're going to discuss a very powerful and important tool for programming, the conditional statement. Using this tool we can specify what should or should not happen in our program under certain circumstances. Remember the Boolean data type we've talked about and the operators that result in Boolean true or false? We are going to use them here. The way a conditional statement works is very easy. We specify a certain condition or value that results in true or false and say if that condition is true, do what is specified here. The syntax is just as displayed, pretty straightforward. We say if, parentheses, condition 1, double point, a tab, statement 1 and statement 2. We also have the possibility to tell the computer what to do if the statement in if was not true. So in this example, if condition 1 was not true, statements 1 and 2 won't be done, but it's not specified what should happen if they are not done. We do that by using the else statement. We say else, double point, and then we specify some statements. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Now let's go to PyCharm and see an example. Okay, so I'm in PyCharm and I've created a new project and I've also created a new Python file called main.py. And I want to write a simple program that acts like a cave person. It's told that the cave person's biggest number was 10. So if a number was bigger than 10, they would have said it's huge. And if it was smaller than 10, it was okay for them. So for that, I want to input a number from the user, an integer. So I want to create a variable, call it given. And in this given, I'm going to store the integer of input, and my message is going to be enter a number. Okay, so I have the number, and I want to check if that given number is bigger than 10. And if it is so, I want to say print out the number is huge. All right, so let's give it a run. It says enter a number, and I'm going to give in 15, for example. 185, okay, 15. And it says the number is huge. And if I give in, for example, 5, nothing will happen because it's not specified what should happen. And I want to specify that using else, just as I've discussed before. We say else, double point, and then we type in print, it's okay. All right, let's give it a run. Enter a number. If we give in 15, it says it's huge. If we give in 2000, it says still it's huge, it's bigger than 10. And if we say, for example, 6, it says it's okay, as you can see right here. So it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And there's also another functionality in Python called elif. And I haven't talked about it in the slides, but I'm going to mention it right here. It's pretty easy. It's called the elif keyword. And it's the else and if combined. Okay, so if that first statement right here, if that is not true, and another statement is true, then something will happen. Okay? Let's change the program a little. Let's say we want to say if the number fits in one hand or not. So if it's more than one hand's fingers or not. Okay? We say if given is smaller than or equal to 5, say the number fits in one hand, right? Fits in one hand. Elif, the given is smaller than or equal to 10. We want to print out the number fits in 2 hands. And else, so if it's bigger than 10, right? Else, we say the number is huge. So let's give it a run and see how it works. It says enter a number. Let's try 2, for example. It says the number fits in one hand. And let's try 7. It says it fits in 2 hands. Okay, I forgot the S here. 2 hands. Give it a run again. And if the number is, for example, I don't know, 25, it says the number is huge. Alright, so that's it for this video, and the next video we're going to do a fun example using what we've learned up till now. So stay tuned for that and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.